Welcome to today's tutorial on functions in the C programming language. Functions are essential building blocks of any program, allowing us to organize code, improve readability, and facilitate code reuse. In C, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It consists of a function header, which includes the return type, function name, and parameters, if any, followed by the function body, where the actual code is written. Functions in C are declared before they are used. The declaration includes the function prototype, which specifies the function's return type, name, and parameters, if any. The function definition contains the actual implementation of the function. To use a function, we simply call it by its name, passing any required arguments. The function then executes its code and may return a value. The return statement is used to return a value from a function. It terminates the function's execution and passes the specified value back to the caller. Function prototypes provide the compiler with information about the function's return type, name, and parameters. They allow us to call functions before they are defined in the program. Parameters are variables used to pass data to functions. They allow functions to operate on different sets of data without hard-coding values within the function body. Recursion is a technique where a function calls itself. It's often used to solve problems that can be broken down into smaller, similar subproblems. Functions are the building blocks of modular, organized, and efficient code in C programming. By encapsulating tasks into reusable functions, we can write cleaner, more maintainable code and solve complex problems with ease. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!